Good morning. Today I have come with prepositions. Okay. So first I'll explain you the term preposition. Preposition is the word. First of all, the meaning of the term preposition is pre plus position, means which tells us the position. Okay. Now, preposition tells us the relation of a noun or a pronoun with the other word in a sentence. Okay. So, noun या pronoun का position क्या है? The word which tells us the position is the preposition. Like on, in, at, under, over, above. Okay. By, for, since, all these are prepositions. Now, in का मतलब है जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट किसी चीज़ के अंदर होता है then in is used. Okay, जैसे the clothes are kept in the wardrobe, the books are kept in the shelf. On is जब कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ के ऊपर होता है but in contact. The girls are sitting on the bed, right? So why on the bed? On the bed इसलिए क्योंकि जो लड़की है the girl और bed दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट इन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ ईच अदर है, वो उसके ऊपर है बट इन कॉन्टैक्ट. ओके. सो द टेबल क्लॉथ is kept on the table. Okay, the pillow is on the bed. So anything which is on मतलब जो किसी चीज़ के ऊपर है but in contact, in that case we use on. Now in and on I have explained. I'll be explaining you over and above. Over का meaning है कोई भी चीज़ जो हमारे सिर के ऊपर है but not too high, it's reachable, then we use the term over. Okay, the fan is over our head, right? But जब कोई चीज़ हमारे सर के इतने ऊपर होता है कि it's unreachable, then above, the word above is used. Like the bird is flying above our head. If it is too high, okay, the sky is above our head, okay, because it is too high. Now I am telling you the difference between since and for. These are basically confusions which children have in prepositions, so I am explaining you the differences first. Since हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमको एक पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन रहता है टाइम का but not the accurate one. Like in most of the sweet shops you must have seen this sweet shop is since 1984, since 1954. Now why we are using since? It is because हमें 1954 पता है but not the exact month and time. Okay, this boy is living in this hut since he was 6. जब वो 6 साल का था तब से वो रह रहा है but not the exact time and month we know, right? Now we are married for 26 years. Now why for 26 years? Because you know the exact time and month. Okay, so now you understood the difference for and since. Generally when we use the we mention the year like 1965, 1974. Now we say it has been long time since we met. Why we are using since? Because हमको टाइम और मंथ या एग्जैक्ट टाइमिंग के बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. ओके, सो इन, ऑन, over, above, since, for, these are general confusions which we see in children when they do prepositions. So I have explained you all that. Now I am telling you basic examples of prepositions. Okay, now let us go for a picnic on Saturday. जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर डे को मेंशन करते हैं और उस दिन का वर्क मेंशन करते हैं वी यूज़ द टर्म ऑन. ओके, her birthday is on Sunday. Generally when we use the name of the day. Now I have to finish the work by tomorrow. So tomorrow, that is a deadline. So here the position, the relation of the pronoun I, हमको समझ में आ रहा है कि वो by tomorrow उसको finish करना. So that is the relation, right? So here by is the preposition. Now we must leave in 10 minutes. So here the preposition is in, right? So in, on, at, under, above, over, okay, for, since, all these are prepositions. Now we live in India. क्यों इंडिया में? Because हम इंडिया में रहते हैं. So we are using the preposition in. Now his house is at the corner of the street. At is generally used for places. Okay, so वो exact place बता रहे कहाँ है उसका house? At the corner of the street. So we are using the term at. Okay, then the mouse is sitting on the pile of books. Again contact भी है और उसके ऊपर है, so we are using the term on. Now Ritu is traveling to Berlin next week. So for places, if we are mentioning the name of the place, we use to. Okay, we are traveling to Dubai, right? And if the position of the place we are mentioning, okay, जैसे his house is at the corner of the street, we are not mentioning the place, we are just mentioning the position, we are using at. Okay, now Ramesh walked into the room, वो room के अंदर गया, and so we are using into. Into means deep inside, right? यदि आप कोई चीज़ की बहुत अंदर कोई सामान रख रहे हो, then we use the term into. Now I put the jug on the table. Here the preposition is on. The thief ran to the door. Thief कहाँ दौड़ा? To the door. So here the preposition is to. Then she washed her hand with soap, right? So with is the preposition. So we came across few prepositions which I am mentioning: in, on, at, by, under, over, above, then to, with, for, since. Okay, all these are of, all these are prepositions. This is the carpenter I was speaking of. Acha, in some sentences we use preposition at the end. Now you will ask me why, but you will find this. This is generally for relative pronouns. Relative pronouns I have explained you, जो हमको relation बताता है. So this is a carpenter I was speaking of. Now I am showing the relation कि किस carpenter के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. And in those sentences we use preposition at the end. Okay. Now little Tommy sat in a corner. So my grandfather sat by the fire and told me a tale. So where he is sitting by the fire, right? Behind is also a preposition. Near is also a preposition. So कोई भी noun या pronoun का जो relation बताता है, position बताता है object का, that position बताने वाला जो word है, that is a preposition. Okay, I hope it is clear with you all prepositions. If any confusions, please let me know in my Gmail ID kanchanjhatripathi@gmail.com. I'll recapitulate the topic, no problem. I'll explain you again. Okay. Moreover, I haven't discussed the answers of the last worksheet which I have given. In a day or two, I'll be discussing that also. Okay. I hope prepositions are clear with you and you enjoyed this video. By tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'll come with conjunctions. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.